Good day guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ademola Badmos. If this is your first time, please do not forget to like and subscribe. And if you can get to the end of the video and you find it helpful, please do not forget to drop a comment. If you have questions or if you find it very helpful, please just drop something to encourage me, to continue to do this because I intend to do more videos. So in this video, we will be doing something very simple. So this should be short. We will be creating we'll be running our code from the command line, from the terminal. So the command to run that is just pytest, and we'll navigate to where the test is, test, and we'll do this. So which means any file inside here that starts with test will be executed. So we run this, and when we run this, oops, we have an error. We have an error because now we are doing TDD. Unlike the way we did it in what's it called, in page object model, where this was just an ordinary it's an ordinary directory. If we want to make it remain as a directory, we will probably need to add an extra file. We'll probably see that in a later video. Maybe we'll test that there. But for now, if we want to just make this work, we need to turn this into a package. And when we want to turn it into a package, we just need to add a file to it, a dunder file. That's the __ init __. That's a dunder file. So we create a dunder file into it, and that should resolve our issue. So we run the command again, and there you go. It creates that, and yep, and the whole code is running. So maybe in this video, because it's so short, okay, maybe we'll just leave it as short. I think you're having a flakiness here. You're having a flakiness here. Yeah, just like I thought. So let us do it again. So this video is quite short, it's quite easy, and we will probably just let's just leave the video this way, and in the next video we'll talk about creating reporters using pytest, and that should essentially just sum up things for us. Now that brings us to the end of this video. If you find it useful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and we will also recommend to people who are also interested in learning how to automate with Python and Selenium. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.